Hi guys, back again in the garage here. I painted the underside of the hood white, white primer, and I'll give you guys a look. So today we're going to put the gray on the underside of the hood. It's a Rust-Oleum product, oil-based, brush on. Stuff works really good if it's a surface you don't need to have glass smooth. You know, like an exterior surface, it works really good for me behind things. Backside of panels. Going out in the garage, I'm gonna go work.
Okay, put the gray on.
Hey, the weather's good out. The sun is coming in the front of the garage. It's looking really good.
Hey, listen, I want to go for a walk, and you said you were sanding. Don't come to me and tell me that it's so beautiful and then tell me, oh, I can't take a walk. I'm sanding my hood. Now, stop filming and get to work.
Gray paint, guys. Get out there and work on your car.